Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is the evening of February the 6th, 2025, coming to you from the TV room. And if you knew me in real life, there's very few times in life where I absolutely am so shocked by what I hear that I have no feedback or nothing to say. And today, I watched the whole 5 hours on and off, but the whole 5 hours of the ONDO finance conference. And I thought it was today and tomorrow, but it was just today. And some of the speakers that spoke were high-level financial people, high-level politicians, pro-Bitcoin, pro-crypto politicians, and I was speechless. I was absolutely speechless. They had Patrick Henry come up. Patrick Henry, he's the former Speaker of the House. I think he wears a bow tie all the time. He had a bow tie on today. But former Speaker of the House and the chair of the Finance and Services Committee, again, recently retired, but again, former Speaker of the House. You would recognize his face if you live in the United States. Google him, Patrick Henry, and former chair of the Finance and Services Committee. What he had to say about what he was doing behind the scenes in the cryptocurrency space was unbelievable. Why we didn't know more about this before is beyond me. Maybe no one wanted to interview him or whatever. I have no idea, but I am so encouraged about the future. Whether this project, this crypto project, you know what, and this is not about a pitch for ONDO Finance, but it was interesting. I think this is going to be the opening of the door for the RWA space. This is going to be a mark and a stake in the sand. February the 6th, 2025, when all these politicians started talking about RWAs, the crypto space. It was unbelievable. Anyhow, that's the video, Crypto Mentor 99. I was speechless when the Honorable Patrick Henry was speaking. Take a look at my referral link below for the Dabba Network. Great passive income opportunity, token launch, and the first quarter. And that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family. And let's go, baby. Love y'all. Bye-bye.